A DHT11 is a digital sensor used to measure temperature and humidity. It combines a thermistor and humidity sensor in one package. It sends data to the Arduino over a single digital data pin, making it easy to integrate into environmental monitoring projects. Let us walk through what this code does. First, the DHT11 sensor is initialized by including the Adafruit DHT library. We define the pin it's connected to, in this case D8, and specify the sensor type. In the setup function, we begin serial communication to display data in the serial monitor. We also initialize the DHT sensor so it is ready to take readings. In the loop function, the Arduino waits 2 seconds between readings to give the sensor time. It reads humidity and temperature levels from the sensor. If the sensor fails to return valid data, it prints an error. Otherwise, it prints the current humidity and temperature in Celsius for the serial monitor. That's it. This is a basic way to monitor indoor environmental conditions using DHT11 sensor. A DHT sensor can be used in weather monitoring stations. It may be used to automate climate control in greenhouses. It can be a part of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning control systems, simply known as HVAC systems. It can monitor storage conditions for temperature-sensitive goods. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.